सभी को नमस्कार। मैं दीपक, राजीव गांधी राजकीय महिला महाविद्यालय भिवानी से। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे अर्थमेटिक माइक्रो ऑपरेशंस पर। अर्थमेटिकल माइक्रो ऑपरेशंस से पहले हम डिस्कस करते हैं व्हाट इज ए माइक्रो ऑपरेशंस। हमने अपनी पिछली पीपीटी में इस बात पर डिस्कस किया था कि माइक्रो ऑपरेशंस क्या होते हैं। दोबारा हम रिपीट करते हैं उस बात को। माइक्रो ऑपरेशंस, द ऑपरेशंस, micro operations are those operations which are executed on the data stored in the registers are called the micro operations. What is the micro operations? Micro operations are those operations which execute on the data which is stored in the register are called the micro operations. A micro operation is an elementary operation performed on the information stored in one or more registers. For example, shift, count, clear and load. These all are the micro operations. Type of micro operations. There are the four type of micro operations such like register transfer micro operation, such like arithmetical micro operations, logical micro operations and shift micro operations. What is a register transfer micro operations? These are those operations which perform transfer of binary information from one register to another register. What is a arithmetical micro operations? These are those micro operations which perform arithmetic operations on numeric data stored in the register, such like add, additions, subtractions, multiplications. What is a logical micro operations? These are those operations which perform bit manipulations operation, on non-numeric data stored in a register. And what is a shift micro operations? These are those operations which perform shift micro operation perform the data, shifting of the data, such like SHL, shift data from right to left. Now in detail we discuss on arithmetic micro operations. Arithmetical micro operations are those micro operations which perform on the data that is a numeric data and stored into the register. These are the four types, such like additions, subtractions, increment, decrement, or sometime we can say shift. The arithmetic micro operations defined by the statement below specify the add micro operations, such like R1 plus R2 and their additions goes to the R3. It state that the content of register R1 are added to content of R2 and their sum is transferred to R3. To implement this statement, hardware require 3 register and digital component that performs addition. Similarly, we can be defined a subtractions arithmetical micro operation. Subtraction is most often implemented through complementation and additions, such like subtract operation is specified by this statement, that is a R1 complement of R2 plus 1. Instead of minus operation, we can write as a R2 is the symbol for first complement. R2 is a symbol for the first complement, that is a R complement, R2 complement. And adding 1 to 1's complement produce second complement. We know that whenever we add a register to second complement of any register, then it is a subtraction. Then adding the content of R1 to second complement of R2, it is equivalent to R1 minus R2. Binary adder. What is a binary adder? In a digital electronics, digital circuit that forms the arithmetic sum of 2-bit and previous carry is called a full adder. But in a digital circuit that generate the arithmetic sum of binary number, two binary number of any length is called a binary adder. समझिए इस बात को कि फुल एडर क्या करता था, हमारे पास 2 बिट नंबर को ऐड करता था और एक प्रीवियस कैरी ऐड करता था. लेकिन मैं कह रहा हूँ अगर 2 बाइनरी नंबर हैं और वो किसी भी लेंथ के हैं, मैं कह रहा हूँ 2 बिट तक है तो फुल एडर, बट किसी भी लेंथ तक है, एनी लेंथ, देन वी यूज बाइनरी एडर. इट इज़ अ बाइनरी एडर. आप देखिए यहाँ पर ए और बी मेरे पास 2 इनपुट है, डेट इज LSB. S0 सम है, C0 इनकी कैरी है. A1 B1 नेक्स्ट के इनपुट है, C1 नेक्स्ट कैरी है. सिमिलरली वी हैव द A2 एंड B2 थर्ड बिट, एंड जो ये C है C2 इट इज़ ए कैरी, एंड A3 B3 इज द इनपुट और लास्ट बिट MSB, एंड C4 या C आउट इज द फाइनल कैरी. तो हम इस सर्किट के थ्रू किसी भी लेंथ तक के नंबर को ऐड कर सकते हैं, डेट इज ए बाइनरी एडर. बाइनरी एडर, the adjoint bit of A and addend bit of B are designated by subscript numbers from right to left, with subscript 0 denoting the low order of bit. The carries are connected in a chain through the full adder. The input carry to the binary adder is C0 and C out carry is C4. The S output of the full adder generate the required sum bits. An n bit binary adder require n full adders. जैसा हमने पिछले डायग्राम में अभी यहाँ पर देखा था, ये 4 बिट नंबर को ऐड करने के लिए हमने बनाया. अगर हम चाहते हैं 7 बिट, 8 बिट, 10 बिट या 15 बिट एनी लेंथ, तो हमें उतने ही ये फुल एड्रेस की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी. Binary adder and subtractor, the addition and subtraction operation can be combined. The addition and subtraction operation can be combined into one common circuit by including an exclusive OR gate with each full adder. The mode input K control the operations. The K is equal to 0, the circuit is an adder, and when K equal to 1, the circuit become the subtractor. Each exclusive OR receive input K and one of the input of B. देखिए इस डायग्राम में आप, लास्ट डायग्राम सिर्फ बाइनरी एडर था. इट्स मीन हम सिर्फ वहाँ पर ऐड कर सकते थे. जब कभी हमें रिक्वायर हो कि हम ऐड भी कर लें और सब्ट्रैक्ट भी कर लें, तो हम बाइनरी एडर के बजाय बाइनरी एडर सब्ट्रैक्टर बनाते हैं. देखिए इसमें हमने ये फुल एडर थे हमारे पास 4 बिट के, 4 बिट नंबर को ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए हमने डायग्राम, ये सर्किट डिज़ाइन किया है। यहाँ पर आप देखिए, यहाँ पर एक के लाइन है। अगर ये के 0 होगा तो ये आपको क्या करेगा, एडिशन परफॉर्म करेगा, और जब के इक्वल टू 1 होगा तो ये सब्ट्रैक्शन परफॉर्म करेगा। ये हमारे पास एक्सोर गेट लगाए हैं, इसके थ्रू हम ये काम कर सकते हैं। When k equal to 0, we have b XOR 0 equal to b. The full adder receive the value of b. The input carry is 0. The circuit perform a plus b. Whenever k equal to 1, we have b XOR with 1. It is a big complement, and C0 equal to 1. The B input of inputs are all complemented, and A1 is added through the input carry. The circuit perform the operation A plus and the second complement of B, that is a subtraction. The increment microoperation add 1 to a number in a register. For example, if a 4-bit register has a binary value 0 1 1 0, value 0 1 1 0, it will go to 0 1 1 1 after it is a incremented. देखिए यहाँ पर ये 6 है और ये 7 है, तो 1 का इंक्रीमेंट, इट इज ए इंक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर. What is the increment microoperation? That add the 1 to a number in a register. This can be accomplished by means of half adder connected in a cascade, such like it is a half adder. Binary incrementer, one of the input to the least significant half adder is connected to a logic 1, and other input is connected to the least significant bit of the number to be incremented. The output carry from one half adder is connected to one of the input of the next higher order half adder. The circuit receives the 4 bits from A0 through A3, add 1 to it, and generate the incremented output in the S0 through S3. The output carry C4 will be 1 only after incrementing binary adder, binary 1 1 1 1 1. This also causes output S0 through S3 to go to S0. The least significant bit must have one input connected to logic 1. The other input receives the number to be incremented or the carry from the previous stage. The basic component of arithmetic circuit is a parallel adder. By controlling the data inputs to the adder, it is possible to obtain different types of arithmetic operations. It is a arithmetical circuit in which we use the 4 full adder and 4 into 1 multiplexer. They are the two 4-bit inputs A and B and 4-bit output D. The 4 inputs from A go directly to the X input of the binary adder. Each of the 4 inputs from B are connected to the data input of the multiplexer, and the multiplexer data inputs are also receive the complement of B. The other two inputs are connected to the logic 0 and logic 1. The 4 multiplexer are controlled by the two selection line, that is a S1 and S0. The input carries S in, C in goes to the carry input of the full adder in the least significant position. The others carries are connected to from one stage to next. By controlling the value of y with the two selection inputs such like S1 and S0 are making C in equal to 0 or 1, it is possible to generate the 8 arithmetical microoperation listed in the table, such like this table. S0, S1 and C in, these are two selection and one is the carry input. So we know that whenever we have the 3 input, we have the 8 possible state, such like 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. And we have the input y, that is a B B B B, and we can be add output D क्या होगा, a प्लस y प्लस में c in, तो वी कैन बी एड दिस वन. Addition: when S1 S0 0 0, the value of B is applied to the Y input of the adder, and in that case CIN, it is a CIN equal to 0, the output D is equal to A plus B. Whenever CIN is 1, then output will be A plus B plus 1, that is the increment operator. Both case perform the add micro operation with or without adding the input carry. Subtraction: S1 S0 is equal to 0 1. The complement of B is applied to the Y input of the adder. If C in equal to 1, then D equal to A plus B plus 1. This produce A plus the second complement of B, which is equivalent to A minus B. Whenever C in equal to 0, then D equal to A plus B. This is equivalent to the subtraction with borrow, that is A minus B minus 1. Increment: whenever S1 and S0 is equal to 1 0, the input from B are neglected, and instead all zeros are inserted into the Y inputs. The output become D equal to A plus 0 plus C in. This give D equal to A. When C in equal to 0, then D equal to A plus 1, when C equal to 1. In the first case, we have a direct transfer from input A to output D. In a second case, the value of A is incremented by 1. Decrement: whenever S1 S0 is equal to 1 1, all the 1 are inserted into the Y input of the adder to produce the decrement operation, that is D equal to A minus 1, when C in equal to 0. This is become a number with all ones is equal to the second complement of ones, and the second complement of binary 0 0 0 1 is 1 1 1 1. Adding number A to the second complement of 1 produce F equal to A plus second complement of 1, A minus 1. When C in equal to 1, then D equal to A minus 1 plus 1. It means minus 2 minus 1 2 plus 1 is cancelled, then it's become A, which cause a direct transfer from input A to output D. Thank you very much.